Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Aryan. Aryan was filled with an insatiable curiosity about the world around him. His eyes sparkled with wonder at the sight of every book, and his heart fluttered with excitement whenever he learned something new. In Aryan's village, education wasn't easily accessible. There were no schools nearby, and many children spent their days helping their families tend to fields or assist in household chores. Yet, Aryan dreamt of something more. He yearned to learn, to understand, and to explore beyond the confines of his village. Determined to quench his thirst for knowledge, Aryan embarked on a journey each day, walking through fields and across streams to reach the closest town with a small school. His days were long, filled with chores and lessons, but his spirit remained unyielding. One day, while at the school, a wise teacher spoke about the power of education. She told stories of great scientists, artists, and thinkers whose knowledge had changed the world. She emphasized that education wasn't merely about memorizing facts, but about nurturing curiosity, developing critical thinking, and fostering creativity. Aryan's heart swelled with hope and determination. He understood that education wasn't just about passing exams, it was a key that unlocked countless doors of opportunity. With newfound inspiration, he returned to his village each evening, eager to share what he had learned with others. He began teaching children in his village under the shade of a sprawling tree. With rudimentary books and simple teaching tools, Aryan passionately imparted knowledge, sparking the same curiosity and thirst for learning that burned within him. Word of Aryan's teachings spread across the village. Parents saw the transformation in their children, and the hunger for education ignited within them too. Slowly but steadily, the village embraced the value of education, and soon they collectively worked to build a small school where children could learn and grow. Years passed, and Aryan's dedication bore fruit. Many children from his village went on to become doctors, engineers, teachers, and artists. The village prospered, not just materially, but intellectually and culturally. Through his unwavering belief in the importance of education, Aryan had not only changed his own life, but had also sowed the seeds of change in an entire community. His story echoed across the hills, inspiring generations to come. And so, in the humble village nestled amidst the hills, education became the beacon of hope, the catalyst for change, and the gateway to a brighter future for all.